Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. Hope you all are fit and fine. Now, this is your third English text class. Hopefully, you are taking your studies seriously and properly doing the assigned tasks which I gave you in the last class, the words meaning of chapter effects of our actions on our environment in your notebook. Now, let's get started with the third part of Unit 1. First, I quickly recapitulate what we learned in the last two classes. What is the chapter about? The chapter is about our effects of our actions on our environment. This is there are two boys, Ali and Salim, who were studying in the same class, and Miss Sina was their class teacher, social studies teacher. And in the class, she showed them the poster. She discussed about the pollution in the class, and she has done along with the students some activities. The student made the action plans what to stop the pollution. Now, what they have done next in the third part, comes to the third part. I am reading the content of this part, and then I will explain you. Ali was tired after a whole day's campaigning program against pollution, and this group had arranged for the neighborhood people, particularly the boys of their own age. They had made posters and showed these to all the people who had come to the program to raise awareness about the dangers of pollution. They had also distributed the handbills they had made. These handbills listed the steps that the youth could take to fight pollution. They also presented role plays and gave speeches. In the end, they shared an action plan for cleaning their neighborhood. All the attendees were invited to participate in the activity. The program was a big success. Almost everyone agreed to do something. Ali and his friends prepared a list of things to be done, who would do them, and by when it would be done. They were all tired but very happy. They had taken a big step in the right direction. Okay, I am going to explain you the part. As you all know that in the last part, Miss Sana Arif, their social studies teacher, motivated the student to work against pollution. So what they have done, Ali was very tired after a whole day campaigning program. Ali and his friends arranged a program, and it was not only a program, it was a campaign. Campaign means होता है किसी मुहिम चलाना, लोगों को किसी चीज़ के लिए अवेयर करने के लिए कोई मुहिम चलाई जाती है, so we call it campaign. किसके लिए चलाई गई थी? It was against pollution के खिलाफ. That his group had arranged for the neighborhood people, and this program, this campaigning, a day campaigning program, this is only for a day. वो अरेंज किया गया था नेबरहुड पीपल के लिए जो अली और उसके फ्रेंड्स की लोकेलिटी में लोग रहने वाले थे, उनके लिए ये प्रोग्राम स्पेशली अरेंज किया गया था, पर्टिकुलरली द बॉयज़ ऑफ देयर ओन एज. लेकिन जो ज़्यादातर इसके पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे, मेंबर्स थे, अटेंडीज़ थे, यानी जो शुरका थे, वो ज़्यादातर उस स्पेशली जो थे वो अली के एज ग्रुप के लड़के थे. What they have done, they had made posters for this day program, for a whole day campaigning program. What they have done, they had made the posters बनाए, as you all made, for the exhibition, to explain any topic, and show these to all the people who had come to the program to raise awareness about the dangers of pollution. और ये पोस्टर्स बना के, ये पोस्टर्स इन्होंने क्यों बनाए थे? उन लोगों के लिए बनाए थे जो प्रोग्राम में आ रहे थे, ताकि उनको जो है अवेयरनेस दी जा सके. अवेयरनेस मीन्स होता है, awareness is a new word for you. Awareness means to give knowledge about something, and they are giving awareness about what? They are giving awareness about the dangers of pollution. They had also, the next thing, what they have done for this program, what other thing they have done? They also distributed the handbills. What is the handbills? Handbills is just like a advertisement, printed advertisement, in which something is written about the campaign, about the thing. So handbills, and it is obviously given and distributed by hand, so that is called the handbills, या flyers कह सकते हैं आप, जो भी कहना चाहें. So what they had distributed among the people, they had distributed the handbills, and then that they had made, जो उन्होंने खुद बनाए थे, it was handmade also. These handbills listed the steps that the youth could take to fight pollution. उस handbills में क्या लिखा हुआ था कि हमें क्या steps, नौजवानों को क्या steps लेने चाहिए pollution को stop करने के लिए. They also presented role plays and gave speeches. Not only do this, सिर्फ उन्होंने posters ही नहीं बनाए, सिर्फ उन्होंने handbills ही नहीं distribute किए, बल्कि उन्होंने कुछ skits, कुछ short skits like drama that giving the awareness about the pollution, and also gave speeches, also delivered speeches against pollution. In the end, they shared an action plan for cleaning their neighborhood. And after the end, in the end of the program, they shared with the attendees, with people who came to attend the program, an action plan कि उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए अपने मोहल्ले में से, अपने लोकेलिटी में से, अपने एरिया में से पोल्यूशन को स्टॉप करने के लिए. All the attendees were invited to participate in the activity. तमाम शुरका को attendees, the people who attend the program, these are people who attend the program are called attendees, उनको इनवाइट किया गया कि वो हिस्सा लें इन एक्टिविटी में. द प्रोग्राम वॉज अ बिग सक्सेस. इट वॉज अ बिग सक्सेस बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग आए, उन्होंने इनकी जो एफर्ट्स थी बॉयज़ की उसको अप्रिशिएट किया. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन अग्रीड टू डू समथिंग, और हर कोई अपनी जॉब, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फुलफिल करने के लिए तैयार था. अली एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स प्रिपेयर अ लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स टू बी डन. नाउ दे हैव प्रिपेयर्ड एक लिस्ट तैयार की कि हमें क्या काम करना चाहिए, थिंग्स टू बी डन, क्या करना चाहिए, हु वुड डू दैम, कौन इसको करेगा, एंड बाय व्हेन इट वुड बी डन, और कब तक ये हो जाएगा. दे वर ऑल टायर्ड बिकॉज इट वॉज अ टफ जॉब टू अरेंज अ प्रोग्राम, टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट मेड द पोस्टर, टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द हैंडबिल्स. सो इट वॉज वेरी टायरिंग जॉब, बट इट वॉज सक्सेसफुल, सो दे वर वेरी हैप्पी. दे हैव टेकन अ बिग स्टेप इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. और वो इस बात पे खुश थे कि उन्होंने एक अच्छा स्टेप लिया है, एक अच्छा कदम उठाया है एक सही सिमत की तरफ. नाउ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी आर डन विद द रीडिंग अलॉन्ग विद दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स come here, come to the whiteboard. What we learned in this chapter, what we learned pollution is harmful, you all know that. We should keep our surrounding neat and clean. If we want to stop pollution, we should keep our surroundings neat and clean. And what are the things we should do? We should throw litter in dustbin. We always make ourselves habitual to throw rubbish in the dustbin. We should avoid purposeless honking. हमें purposeless honking, useless honking से avoid करना चाहिए. We should start campaign to raise awareness among people. और हमें अपनी लोकेलिटीज़ में, अपने नेबरहुड प्लेसेस में अवेयरनेस कैंपेन को स्टार्ट करना चाहिए ताकि लोगों को पोल्यूशन की हार्मफुलनेस के बारे में हम उनको बता सकें. तो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर. होपफुली यू एंजॉय रीडिंग, यू एंजॉय ड्यूरिंग द होल लेसन. What is now come to the homework. What is the homework? Again you will have to read out the unit 1 and the same task for today. Look up the meanings of new words, because there are so many new words that is new and difficult for you, so you will have to look up the meaning in dictionary. This is your task. Hopefully you will all attempt this task at your home. Okay, now I am going to finish my lesson, that is effects of our action on environment. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe.